Hello, this is Jim Phillips with Remember Veteran Grave Markers. Today we are at Swan Creek Cemetery in Monclova Township, Lucas County, Ohio. And let me show you where it's at. It's a pretty nice little cemetery. It's a little older cemetery. And I put this out on Facebook, but the audio is so garbled that I wanted to bring it to your attention that, hey, maybe you should take a look at this. Here's the deal. I went to see a particular headstone. His name is Julius Ray, Company K, 84th Ohio Infantry. He also served in Company I, 14th Ohio Volunteer Infantry. Why is that important? Well, the important is that he served there or not. The importance is it's a derivative of a normal stone. The normal headstone that you would see would only have one unit that they'd be involved with. So to have two there is really kind of a standout. Now, this is a historic stone. Historic stones from 1861 to 1903. They have shields, as you see there, and everyone that is a private would not have their rank listed. This is the case here with Private Ray. So I just wanted to point that out. It's unique, it's interesting insofar as it's different, but it's still a legitimate stone. It still looks good, and I'll be cleaning it with the permission of Monclova Township section. I appreciate that. This is a good day. God bless. Take care. Until next time. I'll see you later. Remember to like, subscribe, and share the video. That would be very helpful. Bye. And thank you, friends of RVGM. Your donations make this work possible.